Alright, Drew and I are on our way to go look at another Cherokee for sale. It's all the way up in Silverthorne, so it's like an hour and a half from here, but with traffic it's probably going to be 2.5 hours. But it looks like a sweet Cherokee. It's green, it's only got 150,000 miles on it, and he's asking $4,500, so hopefully it's a good one. The weather's been super cold, so my clutch is freezing. I had a leak, so I put this like more viscous or like thicker hydraulic fluid in my clutch master cylinder, and when it's cold it just freezes solid. It's been like 8 degrees out here, so I don't know, it's it's kind of messed up, but we're making it do. As soon as the Jeep warms up, it runs fine. But oh, look at this, it is cold. The mountains over there coated in snow. We just pulled over because my clutch decided to freeze solid because I put the wrong shit in it to stop the leak, and I tried pulling the clutch out because it was frozen down here, and I broke the bracket or the fucking plunger right out of the clutch master cylinder there. It's supposed to go in right there. I just pulled it right the fuck out. Not only that, but all of it just leaked on all my fuses. Actually, I think it's been leaking, but we're currently in the gas station trying to make some calls, see if anyone can replace this clutch cylinder for us. But yeah, we'll let you know how that goes. Alright, so we're currently getting towed by this very nice gentleman that we met at the gas station. He said he'd help us out. He actually just said that he's starting up like a roadside assistance company, so working out perfect for us. And he's towing us to an auto parts store, so we'll be replacing the part ourselves. Made it to the Advance Auto. So this is Dante, right? Dante? Yep. So he just helped us. He towed us here. He's got he's starting up a business, roadside assistance.
You're local to Colorado, and I do everything outside of high mileage towing. Dusky roadside assistance. My phone number is 720-486-9082. If you're in the Denver metro area, I'll help you out.
Check him out. Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Here we go. So we're gonna be replacing this guy. So this is why we broke this. That stuff is like silly putty now. That should be a fluid, and it's closer to a solid. The stuff I put in there was like this hydraulic stop leak for like heavy machinery, like an excavator or something. And it fixed that issue, but it's like solid now.
Yeah, it just got way too cold for it.
Yep.
A little cotter pin in here that holds the line up here. You can see I'm pointing to it with this nail. We just used this little nail, and we held it with this guy, just like this. And then we tapped on it with a wrench just to push it through.
Punch it out.
And now we're just gonna pull it out and probably grab it with this guy. All right, there we are, we got it out. And now we should be able to just pull this guy right out. Look at that, it's not even draining. Yeah, bad idea, guys. Don't put excavator fucking hydraulic fluid in your clutch master cylinder. Just
turns into gel when it's 6 degrees out.
Just replace it. Don't be a dumbass like me.
Just put the new one in there. We're gonna tighten it down.
All right, I got the bolt. There's one bolt on the outside down low, and then on the inside. So we got those. And there's a little cotter pin that holds the line in. And then make sure you pour brake fluid on your paint because it preserves it. And then once you like smear it all over your paint, then you can put it in there.
All right, so this piece goes to the clutch pedal and then into the slave cylinder, and that's supposed to be straight. We bent it almost 90 degrees.
This sucks.
Now he's got to climb under it because we got to bleed it out.
Where's the bleeder? Oh, I see her.
Not fun in the snow.
Okay. Here, let me show them. This is what came out of it. All that right there. It's like you can see the purple's mixed in with it. But the purple was the excavator hydraulic stop leak I put in it. And now it's a little mixed, but
Feels like a clutch should now, so it should work.
all right, let's give her a go.
Got it fixed. We're back on the road. That was brutal. It was super cold out there. It's like 8 degrees or 6 or something. Wind blowing. Yeah, not fun, but it's working good now. We just pulled over. We re-bled it, and it's starting to work a little better now. So we'll try it from here, but it's starting to snow pretty hard in the mountains.
He's taking her for a test drive. That thing's so sick. It's got such a cool color scheme. It's like a dark green on the outside, and then the interior's more of a leather tan. It's just perfect color scheme. While Marcus is on this test drive, I might as well drift the parking lot. You know, like, why not? Oh, he's back. The nod. I think he's buying it. I don't know how he can.
Oh,
Secured.
picked up the Cherokee. $4,500.
How many miles? 150?
Yeah, 151.
Nice.
Runs great. Totally rust free. The interior's like perfect on it.
Coolest color scheme possible.
Yeah, we done good.
Yes, sir.